So here are 4 breadfruits, a Jamaican delight. Yes, it is one of our biggest fruit. It's actually the biggest fruit. No, one of the biggest fruit. It's what, maybe second to the largest fruit we have, which is jackfruit. So yes, so these are being prepared. So we cut the stem out of the breadfruit and preparing them for roasting. Enjoy. Yep, so roast breadfruit them, yeah. Roast breadfruit. Yeah. So I think this is the largest number I've roasted at one time. So this is 4 breadfruit, and these are the yellow heart breadfruit. These are like the best breadfruit ever. Yeah. So this is in the night. This is night roasting. And yeah, it is after the rain. So yeah, there are many things up against us doing it right now, but hey, once you have your coal pot and you have your wood them store up from inside, yeah, you just do your thing. So yeah, that's country living. All right, roast breadfruit. So yeah, the breadfruit, they're almost done. Yeah, almost done. Yeah, these are the yellow heart breadfruit. Yeah, one of the best breadfruit ever. So yeah, keep turning them. You don't want them to soak through, but you don't want them to burn up. Yeah, so gonna reduce the heat soon from under them. So 3 of the 4 breadfruits are ready. You may say, how do you know when it's ready? Other than sticking a knife in and making sure it comes clean. Now this is not very clean, so I had to put back the biggest one in there, and it's actually just steaming because the flame there is just low. It's almost out. But how do you know? This is one way you can know that the breadfruit is ready. Yeah, you can basically start taking off the skin. Yeah, with your hands or with a knife. So that's an indication that the breadfruit is ready to be peeled. All right, so these breadfruit, they're gonna stay here. They're gonna rest overnight, and then we'll peel them. You peel them when they're cool. Yeah, you peel it when it's cool. So how to know? This is how you know when it's ready. And yes, you let them cool before you actually peel them, especially if you want to eat them, if you want to fry them after. If you want to eat them right away, yes, you can damp outside and just peel it, because yeah, sometimes we want to eat it hot. Yeah. All right, that's roast breadfruit. Yeah, and this is, remember, this is the yellow heart breadfruit. It's really good. You don't need to put anything with it. It's like butter or margarine is already on it. Really tasty. So they're all done. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 breadfruit. Yeah, or breadfruits. So yeah, they're all ready. They're cooling down. Yeah, and the largest one is this one, and we had to make sure it got extra roasting because it's so big. Yeah, can't wait to dig in. Yeah, I think I'll cut one of them while they're hot. Yeah, that would be great. To support our ministry,
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.